Welcome, today in front of me Asus ROG Phone 5s, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here in the search bar type the green Apple keyboard. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds. So now just open the app, go here to the enabling settings, and near the green Apple keyboard tap once on the switcher and confirm by double tap to OK. Now just go back and here click the switch input methods and switch your keyboard to the English United States keyboard, and as can you see that's finished. And now we'll just check, and for example we'll type something here in a Google, and as can you see our keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard as our emojis. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.